Hi, my name is Libra, and I am a marriage and family supervised therapist. And if you've come this far, chances are you're ready to take the first step on creating a space for growth. I specialize in helping individuals and couples overcome and break the monotony of dysfunctional cycles. I utilize narrative therapy and the Gottman method to assist in deconstructing self doubt and misinterpreted communication. I welcome individuals, couples, and families to help you reduce stress, strengthen your relationship with others, healthier communication, and help you to uncover and realign patterns to encourage lasting change. I look forward to collaborating with you in a supportive space to help you achieve your goal. Thank you and take care.